Oh!
What?
I don't like that. Oh my gosh. Well, this is gonna be great.
Oh boy. Are we ready for this? Oh my god.
This is wild.
Oh my! Ow! What is dude? What, did he heal?
When he said it, he was like, oh, I knew you were alive.
Yeah, I think he can go forever, bro. Oh, yeah!
I killed.
Oh yeah, they haven't seen him.
Like she jumped in instead of calling.
What are they gonna do then?
Yeah, we
Oh my god!
No way, he surrendered my first time.
Someone get him Okay.
He's gonna take Dude, now he's gonna be able to kiss that strawberry jam.
Who's this?
need Jesus.
This guy's so sick.
This guy looks epic.
Kinda sounds like Joe.
Dude, that's ridiculous that he's doing all that.
Loose units like Denji's spawn.
Is this the Devil Hunter graveyard?
Whose voice actor is this?
Damn.
I don't know. Yeah.
I don't know how I got these scars.
Oh, I love his voice so much, man.
Some scars on his face.
Yeah, if you're trying to kill that gun devil. Oh, she's after the gun devil as well. What's her back?
His voice sounds familiar.
It does.
Yeah.
I've
heard it somewhere
she's got a
before.
few screws.
Nigga, that's the freaking black cloak dude from freaking To Your Eternity.
Oh wow.
Swear to God. That's crazy.
Predictable. They're predictable.
What's happening right now?
Yeah, they're predictable.
I swear that sounds like
That's why
him.
Denji's so powerful.
Most likely.
I gotta look it up.
Anyone's afraid of what they don't know.
That's what you were
They
saying.
can't control
Yeah.
something.
So is power though. Just like so random. So power is ADHD.
Smoking would help with that.
All the people in the show.
I'm gonna be crazy.
need a little
To
bit.
be crazy about it.
Sorry,
Take
crazy.
a little swing.
He's like got the Joker scar.
Facts, actually.
Yeah, he's a problem.
Ruin her.
He's telling her to loosen up.
Meat chunks.
Yeah, I mean, isn't that what you guys
I
want?
kind of fit
Yeah.
into that whole
He's not gonna
conversation.
like
Yeah,
what
really
you
Trying to
find.
get rid of him?
Yeah, with Denji before they entered the hotel.
You guys'
Yeah,
voices
the
have
Vader.
in this episode. I was thinking maybe Aki because
Just build up to the gun.
so many, but
Ridiculous. Not really. Once
They
you
all
think
want
it's
to make a
like,
buck.
yeah.
Did you realize she said no 7 times?
I don't feel like something bad's gonna happen to her in this episode. Like, Asuka and Aki, I
Let's
think
get off the
for
front
now.
lines. Yeah. Yep.
Probably for his sake.
Where she
He
loves
doesn't
that.
want him to do
She's trying to
that.
keep him from getting
When
clapped.
they're partners, we're bonding. It's bonding.
Did you hear what she said though? He wants her to go private. She wants him to go private.
Hand over that almond tofu right now.
Like that for the
I like that little
I like her a lot.
Sounds like how much detail we're gonna put into this cigarette.
She's got mass. I just wonder, like, no, I just like what it does. Oh.
And then why she's in
That's why you can't.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
Then she got all the loose
Oh, see.
Doesn't bother him.
He's deranged. Yeah, and that's
It's just stay down there for eternity?
Yeah, I wonder if Denji throws his drink for Devils.
There's no way that works.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
Yeah, no,
He's
it's
still
alive.
going.
Yeah, it's in pain.
Yeah, but he's actually hurting it.
How's he been down there?
Oh my god, bro.
They're getting like tired of just
They
sitting
must be
there.
like, yo, this nigga is sick.
It's been
When is it
5
gonna set them
hours.
free?
With that and their
Bro,
starving to
I
death.
threw up like 5 times watching him.
How long has this been going on for?
They wouldn't even know how long they've been, yeah?
I feel like it's been a long time.
3 days?
He's been
Stabbing him.
days, there's no way.
Same cycle, drink blood. Yeah.
They're all just napping.
3 days. Wow. Maniacal.
They're so cute.
No, this is an intense
Is it?
I
shit.
think the devil's like, remember, yeah. He's feeling pain more and more.
He's not giving up.
Please kill me. This is my weakest.
He's still
Already do. No, he's admirable.
Oh my god.
But he's admirable.
That was it. They done? Oh my gosh, look at them. They're like,
That was the plan?
Let's go, Denji.
Denji just chopped it for 3 days.
The enjoyment. The guy just found enjoyment in that.
Wow,
He's still fighting
they got
beauty
it.
and shit. Like, he's so
3 days for that.
You know what that means? Where's his
That's the
kids?
greatest feeling.
No, you feel like you
Oh, you lost 5 kilos?
Yeah.
What you mean?
Give him his kiss.
hey, you owe him a
He's probably gone.
with tongue.
No, he's gonna be awake to feel it. Y'all owe him big time.
Bruh.
Don't worry, y'all, he's gonna want to respond.
So he better, bruh.
A kiss, yeah.
Yeah, these two.
Yeah, those two need
Like, you
to
guys should go private.
Yeah, it's very
That man
unhealthy
said, I got this.
Yep.
Although Kobani kind of
Let's see what his
guy
fifty
was
is.
strong for probably 4 seconds, and then he just
Actually, there was only about a couple thousand of us, bro. Chill.
a party.
Wow.
Oh my god.
I was gonna say after that.
They were really sick for it.
They're not deranged.
Yeah, they need a different job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That too.
Feel a little guilty.
For you, technically.
He's funny.
I doubt Denji cares. A bit of bonding time. Like, free drinks with Denji, bro. He's taking that. She's also. She's gonna shout.
Oh, okay.
It's tiny.
But Denji's gonna have 2 of his ladies there at the drinks. One on each house, lips one, lips the other one. No, he's gonna lips more
Honestly,
than
he's getting lips.
No, he's gonna do more than lips with her. He can do anything. I'm done.
I didn't feel like weird things are gonna happen at this party.
dude, Denji's just turning into a demon.
What do you think he is?
Yeah. Okay.
What am I changing?
Yeah, I do wonder how
They feed him.
That is very true.
This is a hybrid.
She knows he's
He's not a fiend. He's
There was
not
no way they would have made it out of there if Denji wasn't with them. That's actually kind of
No, she's
crazy.
got gold.
There was no plan.
It's
so like mysterious.
I feel like Makima always knows
Interesting
more.
concept.
Yeah, Makima always she knows way more.
Dude, the beer, honestly, the animation for that was like,
Just drinks.
I don't like
Gulped up.
But I think
That chat that she had with the dude. I don't think he meant like this.
They could all do with it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, power.
Oh my god.
I love this. They're just chilling.
You know, I don't think anything. It's like, bro, just eat it. You could. I just watched.
Who invited her to dinner?
Oh, Miss
Well, she
Kennedy.
said that they wanted to apologize on the drink.
Where she's stabbing it.
Now she's actually a little bit tame.
I don't
It
know.
sounds like Denji when he first had like really good
Damn,
food.
we actually have to know more about each other.
Oh my god.
Stop stealing all the food.
Why's power
Look at how she's using the chopsticks.
What's his feed?
He's got a fiend.
Reasonable.
This is reasonable. Oh, are they talking about?
They talk about them.
He's never even had
The most expensive item, that's what he's gonna go for.
Hairpin. Never went to school.
Oh, he's so Kishu
Bring that up right now. With tongue.
With the Aki there as well. Power tongue.
Yeah.
She's gonna try it. She doesn't want to
I was gonna say, I'm like, did they off screen it or no? They still have to get do the kissing.
Alright, he just defeated.
Let him eat, man. Like,
I was gonna say, are they supposed to do that?
Good idea.
Hey,
That makes sense. I don't know why. Why?
He's in his happy place.
a lot of them also want to
Yeah, I just need your social security number, your address.
Look, 16.
I wonder he just wants to eat.
Very simple.
Yeah, 16.
Whole kid.
He's responsible.
Look at this guy.
We didn't even know how.
Sir?
Wait, boss, yeah, I was just saying.
He doesn't know that.
yeah, that's the same.
Writing haiku time.
She's all over him right now. Okay, it's a little.
That's cool.
Oh my God, stop. I got all kinds of contracts.
She's down bad.
Dude, she's gonna end up being super OP.
He's a double contract.
She don't want to tell nobody.
Interesting.
She has a few screws loose as well, man.
Just 8
I
sisters?
like Benny like
There's like
this.
50
It's a relaxing environment.
Okay.
Why is it so interesting to sit on the floor and eat like that?
Yeah, man.
She's out of this.
Quick.
Now the kiss is gonna happen.
Himeno's lost it.
Oh, look at power in the back where she's pissing me off. Yeah.
So chill.
No, she's freaking out.
Bro.
Oh my gosh.
Girl, you just found out how old he was.
Ready, Carly. She's pumped up.
He's 16, bro.
Damn from the rookies.
He does.
His lips? Puckering his
He's
lips?
happy. It's a guaranteed kiss.
So what if he was just roasting the beer?
Get out of here. Sorry.
Uh-oh. So much.
Just came over me like
He
that.
might not. He might not.
Yeah, he's such a gentleman for
You got
her.
a girl right there already.
Promise him the whole cake island, bro.
Splendid.
The whole cake island?
Oh no. Oh no.
Roy's bubbling under pressure.
We're trying to get both.
You might get two kisses then.
He doesn't know what Makima's a heavyweight, bro.
Uh-huh.
Take it away.
Struggle.
She's so screwed.
God, I'm nervous because
I wonder what he's gonna
feeling
choose.
some type of way now.
Get a kiss.
Gun-devil thingies. Flesh.
You're probably just yeah, I want to kill someone now.
Trying to get it out of her.
Straight up, no beating around the bush.
Okay. Clearly she knows.
Not gonna say anything.
That's suspicious.
I think she's intelligent enough where she's not gonna.
Cup sweat.
I'll tell you.
Yeah.
I'll get back on him.
This is gonna get wild.
And guess what? He's gonna get like.
No, you've had enough, my friend. You've had enough. You need to settle down, pal.
Oh no.
Poisoning?
Are you really?
She okay?
Still remains an elegant. She
Probably has an ability or
Whatever
something
contact
that
she has, get drunk. I don't know if that's a thing.
Yeah, let's get her smashed. She can tell us all the answers. She got credit completely wasted.
I'm about a 180.
Liar.
Mine's 100. Mine's 100.
He looks like a guy with the highest IQ.
Yeah.
I didn't go that high.
Ange's face.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, there
Oh my gosh.
Straight up! You didn't give him time to think about it.
Oh my This is racist.
Really bad.
They need to go.
I'm sad.
Why are you doing this?
Well, that's you go.
I'm just gonna be doing that very soon, champ. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That's crazy.
She couldn't even like take her mouth.
That's
traumatic.
That is so bad. I probably would have punched her like
Man's crying, bro.
I'm fucking disappointed. Like,
Out of his nose.
Question, would you kiss your dream girl but she vomits at the end?
I swear my stomach's upside down.
Cute.
yeah, when I
Why do we have to get nasty like that?
Bro, you would not should have paid for that.
I agree.
Oh, where do you think?
went to go pick up some Colgate.
Oh my god, no. Get him away from
What
her.
now?
Better be holding him
Oh gosh, what's gonna happen now?
I gotta go.
What's going on?
Yeah.
Bro, you need some freaking like Listerine.
Just
What's gonna happen? Is he gonna be tied up or something?
Nothing episode 7.
No, alright, get out of there.
Oh my gosh.
Get out of there.
Yeah, the POV.
Oh my gosh.
Keep home, yo.
No.
She's drinking
She's
more.
making up for it.
You straddling me?
Angela.
Oh god damn, wait a
What
minute.
is happening?
All is forgiven. Hold on.
This wasn't
Even part of the deal.
is what point did you gotta get some?
And she's really, really drunk. She's so drunk.
She is not lucid.
Where's Aki?
Oh, were you delivering my pizza?
Buddy, you need to wake the hell up. You know what you're doing right now? Make sure the thing down there's working for us now.
The drink.
I think he's drunk and swallowed the food. Yeah, maybe.
But he puked again.
Fucking happening.
She's jealous.
don't think we agree on.
Jealousy.
Jealous of both years. Jealous. Mainly jealous. Taking me out.
It's not going to be a double back silver Denji, it's going to be a woman.
Why she bad?
No, Carly, I'm serious.
She's so bad.
Setting it up on me again, right?
What is
Benji
going
needs to
on?
love me, man.
What is show?
Yeah, this is a bit
Far out.
You're 16. Yeah, Bridge, close your eyes.
complaining.
He's 16.
He's
He's 16.
Is she?
What the heck is going on?
What?